50% of those machines will be carrying components which have been manufactured either in the JCB facility in India or through our MSME partners. And that is the opportunity which is available. I feel that we have been talking about creating India as a manufacturing hub. We are talking about China plus one. All those are good thoughts, but unless we take actions to implement the latest technology, to ensure that we are not second tier or third tier suppliers, but we start moving into becoming tier 1 and beyond, this journey will be slow. So it is very important manufacturing industry should be known for the quality of the products that we deliver. In the services sector, that the manufacturing sector started also improving this. I think it is very important if you really want to hold on to talent, but more importantly,
CII manufacturing competitiveness survey.
When it comes to some sectors, we are number 1 in world. When it comes to motorcycle, two-wheelers, we are number 1. Passenger cars, we are number 3. In sectors such as dairy products, again we are number 1. And the story goes on. We are there.
Look at as manufacturing. Global output of manufacturing contribution to the global GDP is about close to 16 to 17%. India right now is about 13.5%. However, it should be noted that over the last decade, we've actually declined on the manufacturing sector of India's contribution to GDP. It used to be 15% and now down to 13.5%. But when we talk about defining